Good day, ma'am. Today I will perform the table setup. First, we must put the charger plate. Second, the dinner knife. Third, the dinner fork. And next, the salad knife. And also the salad fork. And if you have a soup, you must put also the soup spoon. And next, the dinner plate. And if you have a cake, you must put the dessert fork in the upper of the plate. And also the dessert spoon. After that, put the bread plate here in the left side. And also put the butter knife in the bread plate. After all, put the glass in the right portion. And then, after all, put the napkin in the right portion and put the forks here. And also, to look great, you can also do this one. And you can also put here for the centerpiece. And that's it.